How to calculate standard error in Excel. In statistical analysis, it is not always possible to collect data from the entire population that you are studying. More often than not, a sample is taken from the population and that is analyzed, and it is taken as a representation of the entire population. The standard error is a metric that tells you how far the mean of the sample is from the true mean of the population. Excel does not have a direct formula to calculate standard error, but there are two ways in which we can compute this. One is to use the formula for the standard error, and second is to use the data analysis tool that Excel provides. So first we will look at using the formula. Here I have a list of data. Now the formula is the standard deviation divided by the square root of the number of samples. So to calculate the standard deviation, we can use the standard deviation function in Excel. I will choose of the sample, since this is a sample, select the range, close brackets, and I've got the standard deviation. Now I need to take the square root, for which again I can use a function of Excel called sqrt, and the number of samples, which in this case is 10, and press enter. Now to get the standard error, I just divide the standard deviation by the square root and I get the standard error. Now the second option is to use the data analysis toolpack. For that I go to data and go to the data analysis tool here. Now if for any reason this tool does not show up on the toolbar, you can enable it because it comes as an add-in. To do that, go to File, under Options, go to Add-ins, go to Manage Excel Add-ins and tick this checkbox. Since this is already enabled, I don't need to do this. So for this, I select the Data Analysis tool. Now I'm going to look at descriptive statistics and say OK. Here I need to give the input range, which is this range. Now the output range I want, for this example, I want it displayed here. So I will select this cell and I'm going to ask the summary statistics and say OK. So this tool displays all the summary statistics for the set of data. I have the mean, median, mode, etc., out of which the standard error is also displayed. Press Ctrl B to make this bold. So this is another way of showing the standard error. This is how to calculate standard error in Excel. Please read the appended article for more information.